welcome back to another Boxycharm base box unboxing. So, let's rewind a little. Do we remember when I did the November box unboxings how I honestly just had to take a shot in the dark of which one was it because they weren't labeled, and I've been good about labeling them since that whole debacle, but there was a few where I really just had to take an educated guess? I think I found the true November box. So, ironically, it's labeled as Luxe, even though it's in a normal box. So, again, we're just gonna call this January because we already did a November video, and it would be stupid to do two of those and then not have a January, but yeah, there's like a couple more like this where it's iffy if I had the month correct, but after that, they're all correct, so I started labeling them after that, because it got really stupid. How I was like, I don't know. So anyway, we're gonna just pretend this is the one from January, since I think the January one is the one we opened for the November one. So anywho, in no particular order, we have from Rare Beauty, the Confident Energy Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $25, and it is a limited edition glimmering palette of 6 everyday neutrals and bolds to reflect your true aura on a rich, blendable, long-wearing formula. Inspired by the light and energy that surrounds us, these chromatic shades make it easy to create everyday looks that reflect your true aura. Warm neutrals and vivid bolds come together in soft metallic and satin finishes, perfect for a quick wash of color or endless layering. So, $25 palette. Let us see what it looks like. Which side do we open from? Okay. Ooh, it's shiny. It's shiny. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty. I was seeing this side first, I was like, oh, look at the shiny. But, color names are Trust, Elevate, Strong, Gutsy, Willpower, and Boost. So let's see what these colors are gonna be. I hope they're like the ones on the cover, because I like those colors, and that would be fun. So let's get this open. Oh, thank God they are! Okay, so let me get the little thingy out, and I will block the mirror, because it's a huge mirror with the box, but look how pretty these are! Those are freaking gorgeous! Like, honestly, I feel like I'm almost equally excited by every single one of these, which is rare for me to be able to say about a palette. Like, those are just absolutely stunning, and they all have that, like, slightly muted tone to where I feel like they'll be perfect for fall, which we're about to hit, like, next month, so, because I'm filming this in August, who knows when it'll be when this goes up, but very excited for that one. My goodness, that is, ooh, cannot wait to play with it. So then, by Jewel of the Gods, this is a $16 product. This is a Froze lip scrub. That big for a lip scrub? I'm shook. Alright. Is this one blessed by a Buddhist monk too? Because that's usually like their thing. Doesn't mention it on it, but it probably is. Show your lips some much needed love with the Scrub of the Gods. This iconic Froze lip scrub is activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. Made from sugar, strawberry seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea extract. Cool. I mean, like I said, that's huge for a lip scrub. That's why I was like, wait, nuh-uh, really? Guess so. So, over here, what is this? This is the Lifestyle Co. Bamboo Body Polish, and this retails for $49. Dang, this little bitty thing. So, it says, this polish has sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for your self-care needs. Bamboo stem extract is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. Jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acids and is quickly absorbed into skin, helping it feel softer and more nourished. Keep it in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and to boost circulation. Will do. Good to know. And honestly, that sounds really nice. I'm just surprised that cost so much for that little bitty thing. Then we have a big-ass palette over here by KAB Cosmetics. It is a volume 1 of what? I don't know. But it's a contour palette. This is $60. My god. This matte contour palette contains $60 for 8 colors. 8 silky powders that blend effortlessly into the skin for the perfect contour every time. Use the darker shades for a chiseled, striking contour, the lighter shades under your eyes, and other high points of the face for an instant lifting effect. Let's see them. Not thrilled that there's talc in it, but hopefully it's okay. Oh, that's an even bigger ginormous mirror, so let's block that bad boy. And our color names this time are Translucent, Vanilla Bean, Raw, Suntan, Nude, Banana, Sand, and Caramel. So actually, I'm kind of shook that for once it's a contour palette where I think I can use just about all the colors. That almost never happens, because half the time, like, maybe a third of them are in a color range I can use, and the rest are just way too dark to ever be realistically usable on my skin. So that is actually really refreshing. I like that. That doesn't happen too often. Let's get that back in there. Come on. Come on. Alright then. So that can go there for now. Ooh, what is this? This looks like a slightly cheaper version of something I already have, but I don't know if it's the same brand. So this is by Adagio, and it's their Not So Mini Flat Iron, and it's $99. God damn. So the flat iron features 100% ceramic plates that radiate far infrared heat, helping to minimize damage to the hair. The unique floating plates design allows you to smoothly straighten and style hair, resulting in shiny, silky, no-frizz, manageable hair with unlimited styling potential. So that's kind of cool. Like, the one that I have, I could swear it's probably by the same brand. Also mentioned the floating plates design, that's what tipped me off, that I think it's the same brand, and it looks very similar. The other one has, like, specific temperature control on it, whereas this one looks like it's just on and off. But still cool. Still cool nonetheless. And from Iconic London, we have their Triple Threat Mascara for $26. Fed up with falsies? Meet the gold standard of mascaras, an ultra-black, stunning, weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts lashes all day and all night for a dramatic, fluttery look. The easy-to-handle slim brush gets right to the root of your lashes for an instant, smoldering, fuller lash line, while the dense bristles separate and coat lashes evenly with deep black fullness, intense fullness and length, the best alternative to false lashes. Fair enough. Then, from the new company, Defense Drops. This is $35. Your first line of defense against getting sick. This immune-boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Use it the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune response. So wait, is this like medicine? Supplement facts, I guess so. What? 1 dropper full every day. It's not been evaluated by the FDA, which makes me sus. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm gonna have to do some research on it before I feel comfy taking those. I mean, I like the idea of it, but I'm also mildly scared of it, because I'm like, I'm not used to getting something that you, like, literally ingest in a beauty box. So I'm like, wait, what are we doing? Okay. And then the last thing in this box is by Saturday Skin, and it is their Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream, and it's $57. So a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. With a shit ton of ingredients. But anyway, that is everything that was in this box, which Again, apologies for mixing up which box was which, but we're gonna pretend this was for January. Okay, so anyways, that is it for this one. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to, if you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.